ప్రేమ స్వరూపులారా,
This is a very interesting episode. That is a flower, jasmine flower, and this is the car, but this is in good condition. But I just want to show you. This is the car with one door and without door, of course. So this is the car. Swami dropped us safely in our. Okay, Bhajan Hall is a beautiful place. All the boys may be knowing, and devotees, those who have attended bhajans in the Bhajan Hall those days. It's a beautiful Bhajan Hall. That Bhajan Hall is part of many devotees and many students, part of memory lane. So many things have happened there. And here, every time when any drama or any music program, all will assemble in the Bhajan Hall. And Swami will come. Each and everything he will look into. He do the corrections. And he will tell what is right and what is wrong. All that, personal involvement. That is his love. One day, in the morning, Swami called one singer. She had come for Swami's darshan. And Swami told that singer, today evening, give program. She said, yes, Swami, but no accompaniments. He said, हमारा voice है, don't worry. क्या चाहिए? Harmonium, tabla, nala. Okay, fine, done. So immediately, that day evening, boys were fixed. One boy on nal, one boy on tabla, one boy on harmonium, all that. And this lady was sitting in the bhajan hall. That's a procedure. And Swami will come, take a beautiful darshan line. In the end, he will enter the bhajan hall like this. And then when he goes to the party and ask everything is fine, and then he will go back. Once when you go to the stage, then it is my duty to take the party and make them comfortable on the stage, and the program goes. So religiously it goes on like that. That day, all these boys are ready, and the singer also was sitting. Swami finished darshan and entering the bhajan hall. When he was entering bhajan hall, so much of love, and in Swami's face, that happiness that there's going to be a program and this lady is going to sing, so much of enthusiasm. He's like a child sometimes, Sometimes we feel we are more mature than Baba. Like that he behaves. Definitely he behaves like that. So, you're like that, Uchara? Swami said, have they come? I said, yes, Swami, they are there. They are inside. I said, Swami, yeah, all boys are there. Yes, Swami, everybody is there. So after everything is over, with that full, blooming, joyful, energetic face, Swami entered that door, saw the singer. Immediately that beautiful flower faded away. His face became small. Smile vanished. Something disturbed him. So I didn't know what is wrong. Why? When Swami asked me outside the door secretly, I said everything fine. The moment he entered and saw this party, music party, Swami is totally upset. So I thought something is wrong. We don't know what it is. Anyway, I mentally prepared to receive. We are always at the receiving end, okay? Sometimes blessings unasked, it will come. So you just have to be ready to take it and collect it. So I mentally be prepared. And Swami did like this, and the chair straight went to that singer. Kabhi aaya, kaisa hai, khaya, all that he spoke to that lady very nicely. And that lady is happy, Swami is happy. Chair turned. He did like that. So immediately the chair was coming towards me. My God, something is going to happen. And Swami came closer to me and said, hey, that lady, she's wearing a black sari. Tell her to change that sari. Black sari, not good. Chappu. Swami, I will give you 10 minutes time. I will go inside the interview room, tell that lady to change black sari, and then come. After 10 minutes, you can bring her outside. We will start the program. Me, Swami, my heart is here. Imagine, highlight, Nu Cheppu. You understand? Nu Cheppu. That means what? You tell, don't use my name. Huh? Love my uncertainty. I didn't know what to do. I have to tell this lady. First I thought, Swami wants you to change the sari. It will be easy for me to tell, and she will also understand because Swami wants. Swami said, Nu Cheppu. That means what? Don't use my name, damn it, you tell. How will I go and tell that lady, black sari is not good? The lady will say, damn it, I'm not wearing for you, man. I am wearing for Baba. Who are you to come and tell me which sari I should wear? Get out of this place. So bhajan hall will become samadhi for me. How to go and tell lady? If men means at least I can tell. Lady, how can I go? Oh my God, I didn't know what to do. And Swami went inside into room, into room closed. I sat like this. All the boys, those who are close to me, heard, Sai sir, what are you going to do? I don't know, yeah. 5 minutes over. Sai sir, 5 minutes over, 5 minutes is there. What do you want me to tell you? Huh? You want me to go and tell that lady, change the sari? Will you go and tell, man? No, sir. You tell Swami didn't like. You heard the last line? What? Don't use my name. Oh, like that, huh? Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Boys are more tense than me. So I didn't know what to do. But actually, the 10 minutes what God gave me was a peaceful time. Do you know why? 10 minutes is there now. 10 minutes is there, nothing's going to happen to me. So that was very peaceful for me. After 10 minutes, every second was tension for me. So I've decided, okay, my days have, my prapti is over. I'm not going to tell this lady. And Swami will come, and Swami will see that lady in the same black sari, and this is my black day, and Swami will throw me out of the hostel, not following Swami's rules. Swami Matalanta Meer Perche, all that he will say. He will tell warden, throw him out of the hostel. Okay, fine, today is the last day. I'm sitting in the prayer hall, bhajan hall. Afterwards, I will be part of devotees line. I mentally started preparing, and every 11th minute, 12th minute, it is increasing. Tension is increasing. Sir, what are you going to do? I said, I am not going to do anything. I am surrendering to his will. I am not going to tell that lady. Whatever Swami wants to tell me, let him tell. I am ready to accept. Dab, door opens. I am sitting in the bhajan hall door, here, this door, and interview room door, I can directly see. From there, Swami, like that he's telling. You told her, she changed her like that. My face is all gone. I didn't know to say this way or this way. I don't know what to do. I was just looking. Remember, this is the beauty of Lord. When he talked to me from the interview room, next to his chair, I saw 4 saris, pattu saris, silk saris were there. That is for, usually after the program they'll give. I saw 4 saris there. Immediately bulb grew. Something I will do now. And then I got up and stood there. Same happiness Swami came, thinking that my student has done job and this lady must have changed her sari. When he entered, black, and I was in black and white. I didn't know what to do. Cheppaleda, didn't you tell? Then immediately, Swami, meer em anukopote nenu okati cheppana. Swami, if you don't mind, can I request you one thing? Enti, cheppu. Tell me what? Swami, after the program, you usually give sari, no? Yes. Why not you give before the program, Swami? Swami, Yenduku? I will tell her to change. Come. Immediately someone said, come. So immediately went to interview room. And that same 4 sari which fell on my eyes. See, that also God guides you. That 4 saris. Swami, you be in the interview room. I'm telling, Swami, you be in the interview room. Give me 5 minutes time. Job is done. And I picked up all 4 saris, closed the interview room doors, came running to this lady. Madam, kya beta, kya? Which color तुमको ज़्यादा पसंद है, which you like a lot. कहीं को स्वामी is giving you, ये कलर हमारा पास नहीं, ये अच्छा है. Take, madam, take. I gave that saree. And then I said, madam, just Swami surprised you, no? Yes, yes. Why not we surprise Swami? How? You wear the saree now, no? Before Swami comes, Swami will feel very happy that when Swami gave saree, immediately you are wearing, Swami will feel very happy now. Yeah, but I have to go to R3. No. Everything will be done here. Immediately I called that in charge, Bhajanal in charge. There is one small room where Aarti plate, everything is kept. I told that lady, open this room. The room was open. I said, go there and change. You leave your old saree there. I told that Sevadal lady, you fold and keep it in place ready. And immediately I came and sat. That lady immediately, within 5 minutes, she finished, changed her saree. She came and sat. The door opens. Abba, Sai Ram, Jai Sai Ram. Swami opens the door, enters the prayer hall. I told you that joyful face, that manifold increase. Arre, re, kabhi change kiya, Swami said. Yes, I did it. So finally, sir, what sir, how you think? Babu, I did not think, I surrendered. Either give saree or wear saree and go out. I had only two choice. Luckily, I am not wearing saree, man. I am in my white and white. So that is how Swami came to me. Burra. He told me, brainy man, brainy. I said, Swami, it is all your grace. This is how Swami, it is not that he doesn't know that it's a boy to go and tell a lady. It is a situation analysis. He puts you in crisis and see how you bail out, how you swim, and how you come out. But he never forsake you. He is always with you, provided you trust and you believe in him and then surrender to him. He will show you the path. That is why an intelligent person will open your mind. A beautiful person will open your eyes. But a loving and kind person, a personality like Swami, always opens our heart. When you throw a child, you see the child face enjoying. No fear. Why fear is not there? Because of the faith and the trust that my dad will hold me. There is no doubt. It enjoys adventure. That is why somebody said, when something which you do not know, you have fear. What will happen? What will happen? That situation is fear. When you are sitting in a roller coaster, that is also a fear, but that fear becomes an adventure. Adventurous fear. But everywhere fear is there. Fear, how you look at it. Fear, how you accept it. Fear, how do you face it? That is why the best thing is trust him and have faith in him. That is why Swami says, where there is faith, there is love. Where there is love, there is peace. Where there is peace, there is truth. Where there is truth, there is God. And where there is God, there is always bliss. You want bliss? Start with faith. I'm a teacher.
My